Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a lighting designer at Future Light Design. Our small team operates out of our luxury showroom in the heart of Surrey in a village called East Horsley. We specialise in high-end residential designs, Lutron control systems and bespoke decorative solutions. We partner with several decorative lighting suppliers, one of which is Bocci. They feature hand-blown, coloured and moulded glass, making each Bocci globe really one of a kind. This is probably one of the reasons why we were so delighted to be involved in this project with Randall Design and King & Drury. Randall Design approached us for a bespoke decorative lighting solution for their new contemporary home. We had an initial meeting with the client and the design team at our showroom, and they instantly fell in love with the organic forms of the 73 range. The design team provided us with a 3D model of the space and their concept, envisioning this sculptural light piece from the entrance hall through to the formal lounge. Using this, we produced a design pack with our own 2D and 3D visuals, showcasing a number of 73.1 pendants on individual mini canopies. By using these mini canopies, we were able to position each pendant perfectly, allowing us to create this gentle flow throughout the space. Also included in our design pack is an overview of the fitting specifications, the electrical requirements, the structural details and precise measurements for setting out on site. This information gets distributed to all parties involved for feedback and final approval. It really helps us make sure that there's a seamless collaboration process. Once approved, all the components are ordered in by us from Bocci in Vancouver. Each item undergoes a quality check in our packing room before it's taken to site for installation. King & Drury's excellent site preparations allowed us to have a really smooth installation on the day, and we are so thrilled with the final result, and it has been wonderful to be involved in such a collaborative project.